One of the biggest parts of your personal injury case is the demand letter, but a lot of people don't really understand what a demand letter is. A demand letter is a document that we send to the insurance company that tells them what happened, what your injury was, and it includes things like the cost of your medical bills, lost income, the things that affected you. It also includes what we believe the insurance company owes you in compensation. When the demand letter is done properly, it brings the insurance company everything that they need in order to evaluate your claim. There are two main parts of a demand letter. One is going to be based on the numbers, which are much easier to calculate than the other part of the demand letter, which is going to be how the injury impacted your life. The numbers part of your demand letter is much easier to calculate because those numbers are more black and white. That's going to be your medical bills, the amount of wages that you lost, but that's only part of the story. Maybe you're a parent and because of your injury you were unable to pick up your child and hold them. Or maybe you're an avid runner and because of your injury you were unable to do something that you really enjoy. Those changes won't show up on a medical bill, but they're often the most real part of your recovery, and the way that a firm represents that information to the insurance company can have a big impact on the settlement that you're able to get at the end of the case. When we prepare a demand letter, we start with concrete details. We gather your medical records and bills, we get documentation of your lost wages, we review timelines. We work diligently to make sure that we don't miss any of the details that are going to add value to your claim. We also take the time to get to know you, get to know the type of person that you are and who you were before the accident, how your injury has affected your life since the accident, and that's the way that we're going to be able to tell the truest story and not just what the numbers show. At the end of the day, a demand letter isn't just about dollars and cents. It's about showing the insurance company that there's a person behind the claim and that person's life has been disrupted.